let's crack open a bloom and do our makeup. Basically, I got some new products, so I want to try them out. I always do my eyebrows first, and then I do skincare, so hold on. Now, primer and moisturizer. So I use the Coconut Water Cream by First Aid Beauty and the Wet n Wild Primer Serum. It's just like Hello Kitty one. It's cute. And that's all. This, I just put like a couple drops. And I call it a day. And my favorite part is carving out my eyebrows. So I use the NYX color correcting one, and I literally just use this with like an angled brush. Not too thin to where my eyebrows huge, but enough to where it's absolutely done. Like that, and then you just blend out. And make sure to blend it out into your skin. And you just do that on both sides. And then we're gonna get another brush to blend it out some more. I'm gonna figure out what kind of look I want to do because I have a ball to go to in a couple weeks, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna practice that look because I'm either wearing a black or green dress, or if I'm gonna practice this look for this film I'm doing. I don't know yet. I'm gonna finish doing this real quick and be right back. Also, the Real Techniques, like this makeup saver, or like brush, the beauty blender, I'm really into it. You like Jeff? He's really cute. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour. And how I do my contour is I just put it like in here. And I go down just a little bit. Just like that. And then I just do like a little right here. And I go back. I always do nose contour first because I love nose contour. I'm really, really big into nose contour. I do want to get a nose job. Like the medical one for like breathing. But let me blend this real quick. I'm not a foundation girl, but everything blends together well when you use some products. So, yeah. I love contouring. I just take some pure white concealer and I just like highlight everything I need to highlight. So I just take out my nose bridge, the inner corners, underneath contour, and just areas that need highlighting. And then I blend. And I'm gonna use the Halo Glow Brush and Candlelit and like hit the applicator. Oh, it's not as difficult as the contour. It's great. So I'm just gonna put it like right on my cheeks. I usually just do that. And I do like blush on my nose. I am one of those girls. So let me just blend this out real quick. Now the highlight in Champagne. And I blend. After cream products, I always use powders. I'm just using the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Too Faced, I use the milk and the regular one. So I normally just go over where I contoured. I might do like another video on like how I do my eye makeup. But this one, I'm just like testing out this new stuff that I got. Not PR, I bought it. If e.l.f. can do PR for me, that would be really nice because I do like e.l.f. I also like doing like a high end and low end makeup, but I am very picky with makeup, so I always gotta think about like the products I use. I really like doing like vegan products. Yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking. I'm gonna do the other contour real quick. I just did the powder off camera, but that's the Halo Glow setting powder. I really do like this. Like, I feel like my skin looks really pretty. It looks like I'm not really wearing any like face makeup, and that's what I really do like. So let me just like my eyes. I forgot I was filming. I'm doing eyeliner now. I'm hoping that it like all comes together to just clear up my eye, but I'm trying to decide if I wear the green or the black dress. But I'm just doing my makeup to practice for the black dress, and then I'm gonna do the green look maybe tomorrow. Cause I like to like practice my looks before I do them because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe that's what camera. Yeah, like I already doing it. What's that? Like transitive. The fuck is that? I was like, wait, okay. Give me a second. I like this. Liner is the Makeup by Mario one. So let me finish this because the time is almost up.